available. Katanya Pak Angga keluar ya. Kalau begitu Pak Zulfikar. Silakan Pak.
Okay, ma'am. Before I start, ma'am, jadi pembelajaran saya yang akan saya bawakan adalah luring. So, I will make it seolah-olah dalam kelas luring. Oke, ma'am. Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I'm fine.
I hope.
And you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm so fine. And we hope. Yes, I hope so to you, and every day we get a healthy and fit body to continue our activities every day. So before let's please Mr. Imran make your friend be ready to learn. Yeah, please, Mr. Imran.
Yes, sir.
Make your friend be ready, please.
I'm sure, sir.
And praying.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, let's pray. Okay.
Okay, finish.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Imran. And now I want to check is everybody here, or there are or there is a student who do not join in our class today. Mr. Amri, where are you, Mr. Amri? Anybody knows about Mr. Amri?
Laptopnya lagi hang, sir. Tadi ada di grup, laptopnya lagi hang.
Oh yes.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so he got the problem, and so we hope Mr. Amri can join to our class as soon as possible. So today we will learn about text interaksi transaksional that ask for and give information. Here I want to the topic is ask for and give information related to the jobs or people jobs. So in the last day of our learning about the same learning activity that ask for and give information about jobs, I have explained and a little about the social function and generic structure and language feature of ask for and give information. So today, to make it clear, and I want to give you more example of how to ask and give information about jobs. And but before that, I would like to divide you into some groups, and I will make it random. Please, Mr. Imran, account 1. Please, Mr. Imran, account 1. Yeah. And then continue by Mr. Ibrahim 2. Yeah. Miss Ramla 3.
3.
Yeah. And then back again to Miss Walhidayah, please count 1.
1.
Yeah. And then Mr. Stefanus 2. And
2.
yeah, okay, I think it's free memory. So the group that form is randomly. I hope every day we learn, we will be close each other to our friend and randomly. Jadi tidak serta-merta tiap hari kita di kelas itu duduk berdampingan dengan orang yang sama terus. Jadi ini manfaatnya random group. Ya, yeah. Thanks. After you are divided into some groups, and I want you to discuss about what is the relation of the video with the social function, generic structure, and language feature. So, and then I would like to inform to you the learning outcomes today is ya. Jadi tujuan pembelajaran hari ini diharapkan kalian sebentar di akhir pembelajaran kalian bisa lebih memahami tentang social function dari ask for and give information, kemudian the generic structure, and so the language feature. And then in the last time you will make some example about asking and giving information about jobs. And so before I play the video, I want to ask you about have you seen or have you analyzed about what the people do around you? Anybody have analyzed or observed what people do around you? Can you describe
Yes,
what is
sir.
your teacher do?
Teaching.
Teaching, yes, good, Ramla. So, like a teacher, he will do teaching, and then maybe another activities. Yeah. Okay. It is an example and how to analyze a people job. So we look at what they are doing or what they are doing every day. So please watch the video below. While you are watching the video and after you are watching the video, I want you to discuss with your friend, analyze the social function, and then the generic structure, and then language feature. In order you can make some example too. Yeah, please watch the video below.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Do you work or study? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Do you work or study? Do you sometimes get asked about the work that you do? Do you know common ways to ask about someone's job in English? Apakah kamu tahu pertanyaan yang biasa ditanyakan untuk menanyakan pekerjaan seseorang dalam bahasa Inggris?
I hear nothing,
Okay,
sir.
now we will learn to ask and give the answer about someone's job. Jadi, sekarang kita akan
Anybody?
belajar cara menanyakan dan
Do you
memberi
hear the voice?
jawaban tentang
Okay, little bit.
pekerjaan seseorang.
Oh,
When
Kecil
you meet
sekali.
someone in a certain
Wow.
situation and you want to know what kind of work they do, the most common question is as follows. Ketika kamu bertemu seseorang di situasi tertentu dan kamu ingin mengetahui pekerjaan apa yang mereka lakukan, pertanyaan yang biasa ditanyakan adalah sebagai berikut. A common question is what do you do? Pertanyaan yang biasa ditanyakan adalah what do you do? Apa pekerjaanmu? Pertanyaan lain yang bisa digunakan untuk menanyakan pekerjaan adalah what do you do for a living? Apa pekerjaanmu? What kind of work do you do? Apa pekerjaanmu? What line of work are you in? Apa bidang pekerjaanmu? Dari semua pertanyaan mempunyai arti yang hampir sama ya. How to respond the question? Here are the examples to respond the question. What do you do? Apa pekerjaanmu? I'm a teacher. Saya adalah seorang guru. What do you do for a living? Apa pekerjaanmu? I work in photojournalism. Saya bekerja di fotografi jurnalistik. What do you do? Apa pekerjaanmu?
Tidak ada
I run a
suaranya ya.
arts program for teenagers.
Halo?
Saya menjalankan program seni untuk
Kok
remaja.
saya nggak kedengaran?
teman-teman,
Nggak kedengaran
ada
saya.
suara kah?
He is a soldier.
Ada cuma
Dia
kecil
adalah
sekali
seorang
suaranya.
tentara.
Kalau saya
He
jelas,
is
Pak,
a
jelas.
teacher. Dia adalah
Pak,
seorang
Tempatku
guru.
tidak.
Ada.
Saya nggak.
She is a
Nah ini
singer.
baru kedengaran.
Dia adalah
Iya,
seorang
jelas.
penyanyi.
Kedengaran.
He is a farmer. Dia adalah seorang petani. He is a pilot. Dia adalah seorang pilot. He is a police. Dia adalah seorang polisi. Coba kalian kerjakan contoh soal berikut ya. Coba kalian cek jawaban kalian. What does your father do? Apa pekerjaan ayahmu? He is a farmer. Dia adalah seorang petani. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching and happy studies. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, students, it is a simple example of how to ask and give information about our job or our father's job. So I would like to make it more clear by giving you the second video, but you have to know that here is an example about what is our father job, and I want you to understand that never been shy or minder ya. Jadi ya, saya harap jangan pernah minder dengan apa pekerjaan kita dan apa pekerjaan orang-orang di sekeliling kita, termasuk mungkin ayah kita. Ya, selama itu adalah pekerjaan yang halal dan baik, tidak mesti kita menjadi minder ketika mungkin pekerjaan ayah kita itu tidak sama dengan pekerjaan ayahnya teman kita yang mungkin lebih lebih bagus kehidupannya dibanding dengan keluarga kita. Ya, malah kita harus bangga bahwa kita punya ayah yang bisa bekerja dengan ikhlas dan berkah buat keluarga kita. So it is the message of our material about what is our father's job. So because here we will not only talking about our father's job, maybe we will talk about our neighbor's job or all people around us. So I would like to give you while you are discuss with your friend, I would like to give you a simple video, short simple video, the second. Ya, jadi saya anggap ini karena videonya agak singkat, jadi saya rasa tidak membuang waktu, malah saya anggap ini akan menjadikan materinya semakin berkualitas dengan mendengar dan melihat contoh-contoh yang lebih banyak. Ya, please watch this video, the second video. Ya, semoga suaranya sudah lebih besar.
Hi Dika, what does your father do?
Hi Tia, my father is a doctor. He works in hospital.
That is a great job.
What does your father do, Tia?
My father is a farmer. He always picks some tomatoes every day.
I'd like to know if he picks other kind of vegetable too.
Yes, sometimes he picks spinach too. John, what does your mother do?
My mother is an artist. She always paints many art every day.
I like to know if she paint on a canvas.
Yes, sometimes she paints on a drawing book too.
Okay, that's all about the second video, and jadi saya rasa semakin jelas bagaimana contoh. Kalau yang tadi hanya sekedar what do you do for a living, and kalau di sini lebih dijelaskan lagi bahwa pekerjaan dari orang yang kita tanya itu seperti apa, lebih digambarkan lagi pada contoh yang kedua. So pada akhir pembelajaran ini kita akan membuat beberapa contoh. Bentuk pertanyaan. Tetapi sebelum kita masuk di situ, I want you to discuss with your friend and about what is the social function, and then what is the generic structure of the text and language feature of the text. And then while you are discuss with your friend, please feel free to ask me if you don't understand something about the video or the material today. Yeah, maybe there's a question, students.
It's clear, sir.
Yes, yes, please. It's clear?
Yes,
Oh
sir.
yeah. Oh yeah, thank you. Jadi, so if it is clear, so I want you to make one example of asking and giving the response of the jobs, giving information about the jobs. Maybe it's free memory. Jadi saya kira ini free memory saja. Jadi siswa akan mungkin menggunakan role play, ya, saling bertanya dalam group discussion kecil itu, ya, bergantian saling bertanya. Jadi setelah itu mereka akan mencatat sebagai contoh-contoh, kemudian kemudian menjadikan tugas pada slide akhir ini sebagai sebagai homework ya. Jadi boleh tugas di rumah, tapi sudah ada beberapa contoh masing-masing yang mereka dapatkan dari pembelajaran hari ini. Kemudian and so please I want one of you please make the conclusion, or what is the conclusion of our learning today. Anybody can conclude what is the social function, and then what is the generic structure of asking and giving information, or the language feature. Anybody can comment?
We learn about asking and giving information, sir.
Asking and giving information about job.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the social function of asking and giving information, that's true. From Miss Huldi and Miss Erawati, so the social function is to criticize, to identify, and to understand what another people job and what they are doing. And then the generic structure of asking, so there is a question, and there is an answer. There is a beginner to talk who asks about job, and then there is someone will give information about the jobs. Yeah, that's the generic structure of asking and giving. Yeah, I think it's so simple and easy to understand. And please, we can continue our learning material in our LMS. Yeah, maybe in our group chat class. You may ask me about what you don't understand today. So sekali lagi saya memberikan sebagai penutup, ya, jangan pernah merasa minder terhadap pekerjaan orang tua kita, ya, karena batasan bahwa kita harus malu itu bahkan kalau mungkin pekerjaan orang tua kita tidak berkah, tapi selama itu berkah dan ikhlas untuk keluarga kita, feel free to tell us and describe to us what is your father do and what is the activities of your of people around you. So thanks for today. I would like to close our learning today by reciting Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Next, Pak Imran, saya dahulukan saja lebih dulu join di Zoom ya. Pak Imran, silahkan. Halo Pak Imran.
Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.